kindergarten. Today for your lesson in math, you were told to use a number line and you were going to try to determine which number is greater than using the number line. Ms. Hartman wants you to try to practice writing your own number line today so you can practice number formation and creating a number line. So you'll need a wipe-off board and a wipe-off marker for this activity. And you can use a ruler or a straight edge, or if you feel like your hand is steady enough, you can rest your hand against your wipe-off board and draw a line from one side all the way to the other side, as straight as you can. And if you mess up and it goes wiggly wobbly, you can go ahead and erase it and just try to draw a straight line again. On this side, we're going to make an arrow that goes this direction. And then on this side, we're going to make the arrow going this direction. And now we're going to make a little dash line right in the beginning. And if you want, you can use your finger again, like we did a couple weeks ago, to create your number line. And you can just go like this and move your finger along as you create your dashes. Each dash is going to stand for a new number. You can keep on going all the way down. Go slow so you can make nice little short lines. Remember, when you're creating numbers or letters, you want to take your time with your number formation. And we're going to start with the number 0, 1, 2, around and back on a railroad track. 3, 4, remember, is down and over and down once more. That's the way to make a 4. 5, 6, 7, remember 8, make an S, but do not wait. This is how you make an 8. 9 is a circle, then a line. And 10 is a 1 and a 0. So now you've created a number line. You did a fantastic job. It takes a lot of time, but it's really good practice to get into because you're drawing straight lines. Your muscles are getting so strong in your fingers. You're learning how to form all of your numbers. And now the next thing you're going to need is to go find some cards in your house. Miss Hartman found some cards, and for this activity today, I'm going to need all of the cards that Miss Hartman lays out. So you're going to need to find a 4. And it's okay if it's a different kind of card and it looks different than mine. So you want to find a card that is a 4. You want to find a number 6 card, a 7 card, 9, 8, and a 5. So you want to go through your cards and pick out these numbers. You'll just need one of each of these numbers. And then Miss Hartman's going to do an activity with them. So I'm going to take the 4 and 6 together, the 7 and 9 together, and the 8 and 5 together. And we're going to do 3 activities with these. So let's start with this pair. So I have a 4 and I have a 6. And so what I'm going to do is take my wipe-off marker and I'm going to try to find the number 4 on my number line. 4, I'm looking for it. Now this 4 looks very different than my other 4. Sometimes you're going to see a 4 written this way. This is the way your teacher is going to teach you how to write it, and you should be practicing this way. But when you see this, this also means number 4. Okay, so I'm going to circle that 4 on my number line. And now I have 6 over here, and I want to try to figure out if the 6 is greater than the 4 or less than the 4. And when I look at a number line, remember, as I move from the left to the right, my numbers are going to get bigger and bigger. They're going to become greater than. So wherever my 4 is, I need to see, is my 6 over to this side, to the right of my 4? That means that it is greater than. Or is my 6 on the left side of my 4? Is it less than? and I locate my 6 with my eye and I see there's my 6. So 6 must be greater than 4. How many more? Let's see. 1, 2. So 6 is 2 more than 4. 6 is greater than. So now I'm going to go ahead and erase that. I don't have to use my finger though. I could use an eraser. I'm going to come in here. I'm going to erase my number 4 circle as I determined which one was greater than. There we go. I'm going to write my 4 in again. Down and over and down once more. That's the way to make a 4. And I'm going to take my next set of cards and I'm going to turn them over to see which one I want to compare. So my first one is a 9, okay? And then I have a 7. So let me see if I can find the 9. I'm going to take it up here, see if I can locate the 9. Whoop, I see it. Now this 9 is the way Miss Hartman and other teachers are teaching you how to make your 9 with a circle and a line. And you see my card has the circle, the line kind of curves underneath. This is a different way to make a 9, but they both mean 9. I'm going to circle my 9. And now I want to compare the 9 with my 7. Okay, is 7 greater than 9? That means it would be on the right side of the 9 going forward. Or is 7 less than the 9? If it's on this side of the 9, on the left side, it's going to be less than. And let me see if I can find my 7. Oh, there it is. There's my 7 right here. It must be less than 9 because it's on this side. So 7 is less than 9. How much less? Let's see. I'm going to do a little hop. 1, 2. 7 is 2 less than 9. All right, good job. All right, let's try one more together. I need to get my eraser again. I need to be really careful with my eraser. I'm going to sneak in here with my little finger. I'm not going to erase the whole board. I'm going really slow and steady. Did you know in kindergarten you have to be really slow and steady so you can keep your eye on your activity and not have to redo the whole thing? So I'm missing my number 9. I have to draw it back in. A circle, then a line. That's the way to make a 9. And I have one more set here that I'm going to work on. I want to compare these two numbers here. I've got a 5 and I've got an 8. So I'm going to try to find 5. And now that 5, I see a number that looks just like it. Oh, there's my 5. I'm going to circle my 5. And now I'm going to compare my 5 with the 8. So is 8 greater than 5 or less than 5? Let's use the number line to see. If it's before the 5, if it's over on the left side, that means it's going to be less than. And if it's after the 5, it means it's greater than. So let me see if I can find my 8. There it is. There's my 8 right there on the number line. And it comes after the 5, so that means 8 is greater than 5. How many more greater is it? Let me backtrack. 1, 2, 3. So 8 is 3 more greater than 5. Nice job playing with your number line and comparing your greater than, less than using your number line today. Have a great day.